song that I want to play for you is called Unconditional, and I created it as an experiment of sorts. I wanted to know if I could capture the feeling of unconditional love in a song with no words. And I was thinking about unconditional love because I was commissioned to write a love song for a couple I had never met, so I needed to create some sort of context to create around. And I thought, what is the greatest kind of love that there is? It's unconditional love, right? The love that accepts you for who you are, all the pieces of who you are, not just the best parts of you, but the dark parts of you that you try to hide from the world, that you're afraid of. Unconditional love accepts that part of you. And my intention was that I know what that feeling is like because of my parents. You know, I grew up in unconditional love. And what it means is that I walk around in the world and I don't seek for love and acceptance in that same way, because every day I wake up and go to bed knowing I'm loved. And there's something beautiful and powerful that it does for us when we have that. And although all of us deserve unconditional love, not all of us have it, right? So could I create a song that would be there for people in a low moment in your life, if you're having a day that's really hard, or if you're a person that you're like, you know, I don't think I actually know what that feeling is like, you know, could I give you my interpretation of it? So this is the song, Unconditional. Thank you so much. Thank you. My name again is Christen Lien. I was just reminded to tell you I brought 15 vinyls of my latest album as gifts. So if you listen to vinyl and you're one of the 15 people, come up here and we'll give you a gift for free. Thank you so much, Nicole and Jeffrey, for having me. Thanks, everyone.